So how to track your Royal Mail parcel. So first things first, in order to track your parcel with Royal Mail, you're going to need to ensure that you have the reference number. So if you don't know what your reference number is, it should be on the receipt that the post office provided when you handed over your parcel. So it's usually 2 letters, 9 numbers, and 2 letters. But if you are the recipient to the parcel, then you'll need to get in contact with the person sending it, and they should be able to provide the tracking number. But sometimes, depending on where you got it from, they can also send a confirmation email with the tracking number attached. And then once you've got that information, you're going to want to head over to the Royal Mail website and come to this page here where it says track your item. I will also leave a link below in the description. And then right here, you just want to enter your reference number. And then once you've entered your reference number, you just want to click on track your delivery. And then once you've done that, it will then tell you the status of your parcel. So as you can see here, for our example, is that our item has been posted at the post office, and then once they've tried for delivery, this should then be updated again. So yeah, if you want to keep an eye on a delivery, you can keep refreshing this page every day, and then Royal Mail should let you know once it arrives at the destination. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and thanks again for watching.